assholes. That dude's exhaust is dragging. Oh! Come on, T-Bird. Nice blue truck.
We should just stop by the gas station just to clean the windshield on this.
You want to?
If you want.
Hells yeah.
Honda. Those retards over there playing foosball.
There's a cop right there.
Hi.
I was like, shit, I ain't stopped.
There's a cop right there too. As I'm trying to fucking put my seatbelt on.
Oh my god.
That's why I think he was looking at me.
I swear to God.
Just take off. Are you flooring it?
Hell no.
You getting close?
Nah.
Cool. I still think the Plymouth is more comfy than this.
Yeah. I'm trying to watch that cop.
Did you turn around?
I don't know.
Hey!
Pay for that.
Yeah, I was gonna ask Tim. I don't think Tim really cares if I film while we're driving. But I can't film at the yard, that's for sure. So I can't, it's just. Okay, so I haven't posted in a while. Time to do my mom's brakes on the truck. And just messaged Ryan to see if he'd come over. I think he might be asleep. Today is August 16th. And most likely my last night working with the Edso truck too. Because I got school that starts on Friday on the 19th. So, I'm not looking forward to it, but hey, I want to better my life, so might as well do it, huh? Alright, I'll get back to you when Ryan gets here. Alright, so my mom said her brakes were bad, but she didn't tell me that they were this bad. Yeah. That's terrible. I mean, this one's pretty fucked off too, but I mean, at least there's pad material still there. No, this one, everything's gone. Alright, so I'm gonna go get new ones now.
I got to get a ride with him.
It was cool.
Yeah, I rode him for once. He was so cool. He went, beat you, right?
Alright, Coco's car show, boring as shit, nothing to do. All old assholes. That dude's exhaust is dragging. Oh! you doing?
Your mom.
Tired of staring at 80-year-old women.
Oh, they're so hot.
That's disgusting. Piece of shit.
Over your head.
Oh, look at that big man. Oh.
Boys.
Did you see that Ford's exhaust right by it?
It was dragging.
Yeah, you had the exhaust tip bouncing off the ground.
Was it like a normal car?
No, it
There
was
he
like a
is.
70s
He's right
Ford.
there. He's like driving up that way.
Is that Bronco?
It was some green,
I know,
green
like
piece of crap. It wasn't a shield car. Where'd you say it went, Colin? To the right?
No, it went like straight up.
Oh. You wanna know why I'm tired? Because I'm bored. 'Cause this shit sucks, dude.
Yeah, I was expecting a lot better.
Yeah.
Road under.
The ones that are here are awesome, but not enough.
It just feels like I've seen it all.
Yeah.
Been there, seen that, been there, seen that. Everything's too mainstream.
Mm-hmm. We're not. Everybody's all show car and shit.
I really like driving at a 45 degree. Fuck you, Euclid.
Sorry, you want me to drop some weight or what?
Here, right?
Oh.
Sit on my lap. We'll even it out.
I wanted to see that truck again. We'll have some